Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Discussion. The topic for today's discussion is interview question. You are overqualified for this position. Now, sometimes in life we have to apply for such kind of positions according to which our qualification and experiences are much higher. The qualification and experiences which that particular position is demanding, they are less as compared to our own experiences and qualification and certification, whatever we have done in life. Definitely the HR is going to ask that if you are so experienced and so knowledgeable and you are having so many degrees and certifications, why exactly you are applying for this position? It is a lower position than your previous designation. Why you are applying for this particular position? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I must say that people in most of the cases apply for such kind of positions because of their personal life problems. Maybe due to some personal life issue, the person is forced to join such kind of lower designation. There are always certain personal life circumstances. I will not go deeply into those circumstances because they are individual and specific to a particular person. But there are certain circumstances in life, there occur certain situations in life because of which you have to compulsively work on a lower designation with lower pay package. You have to work on a lower designation and lower pay package. As I said, I will not talk about the reasons behind it because they are personal to every individual. But whenever you are making such kind of decision, the HR is definitely going to ask that why you are exactly making that decision of joining a lower position with a lower pay package. Everybody wants to join a higher position with a higher pay package. Why you are joining this lower position with a lower pay package? Now, in most of the cases, ladies and gentlemen, people say that it is due to our personal life compulsion that we are joining this particular position. And it's a very rare case that organizations take this answer positively. It's a very rare case. It all depends upon individual thinking process of a particular HR. If a particular HR who is taking your interview, he is highly emotional towards human values, he will definitely understand this excuse. But the HRs with a strict mindset who are only focused on organizational goals, they are not going to take this reason that you are having some personal problem because of which you are forced to leave your last organization with a higher pay package and a higher designation, and compulsively you are joining a lower position with a lower pay package. Strict HRs, the HRs with a strict mindset, with very less emotional feelings, they will never understand this excuse. And they are not going to hire you. They will say that you are not a growth oriented person. Circumstances are with everyone. But people never stop thinking from growth mindset. You have stopped thinking from growth mindset and we are not going to hire you. It happens, ladies and gentlemen, we have different HRs with different mindsets. So it's a very rare case that someone understands your real intentions, that why you are joining a lower designation with a lower pay package. That's why try to answer this question in a tricky way. Try to say that, sir, I have read your job description before coming to your organization. I have read your job description that you have mentioned in your advertisement. I have thoroughly read your advertisement. I have thoroughly gone through your advertisement and I have completely known that what type of responsibilities you want me to accomplish. And looking at your job description, I thought that this is the job which I exactly desire in my life. This is the position which I exactly desire in my life. Doesn't matter what salary they are offering, doesn't matter what designation they are giving. But the kind of task that I am doing currently, I will not say that I am not satisfied with that task. I am highly satisfied with my current organization. My current organization is the best organization in the world, I will say. I have learned a lot by working in my current organization. Thanks to my current organization, it helped me to develop my professional abilities more and more. But when I saw the job description of your advertisement, the things that you have mentioned, the things that the project in which you are putting me, it is highly crucial project according to where I exactly want to be in my life. It is exactly in accordance with where I exactly want to be in my life. This is my real life goal. The type of responsibilities that you have mentioned in your job description, this is my real life goal. And this is the reason why I am joining your organization on a lower pay package. Right now, pay package is not at all important for me. Important is the tasks that you will give me after joining the company. I am fully focused on the job responsibilities that you have mentioned in your advertisement, because of which I have come here to appear for the interview of your organization. That job description is the only reason that I am applying in your organization, that I am sitting here in front of you giving interview. If such kind of responsibilities some company is giving to me, if such kind of job role some company is giving to me, believe me, salary is not important for me in that case. Knowledge gaining, understanding, making myself more aware of the kind of atmosphere where I exactly want to be in my life, that is more important than money, and that will always be more important than money and designation. The kind of knowledge that I am going to gain after joining your company, that is more valuable than the designation that you are giving me and the salary that you are giving. This is how you should answer the question. Answer this question. This is how you should answer this question, because ultimately you want that job. Ultimately, you want that job. Sitting in the interview of that job is your personal life decision. Before joining that job, before appearing in the interview of that job, you also know it very well that it is providing you a lower designation with a lower salary. But there is some personal reason. There is some reason because of which you are joining such an organization. There is no need to disclose the actual reason, that is your personal life. Try to convince the HR by saying that yes, you really want that job because you think that the job role which the company is offering, that is more valuable and that will add up to your professional development in future. This is how you should answer this question, ladies and gentlemen. Never answer this question in a negative way. That since my house is here, that's why I am joining your company. Since my hometown is here, that's why I am joining your company. This is not the proper way of answering the question. The proper way is you are aligning me in a project which is going to upgrade my professional experience, my professional knowledge. That is why I want to join your company. Even if you are offering me a lower salary, it is not a big issue. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.